Welcome to Fame Ebong TV. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to produce a laundry bar soap using 3 different oils. Now you need to understand that in soap making, you can combine 1 or 2 oils or 3 oils, as many as you want. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to combine these 3 oils I'll be using. If you want to learn more about oils, you do well by joining my online class. So let's go into the production process and see how to combine these 3 oils. Over here are the ingredients I'll be using. This is my caustic soda. I'm making use of 300 grams. Here is my groundnut oil. In most places it is called peanut oil. I'm making use of 500 grams. This is the tallow oil. I'm making use of 500 grams. If you check my previous video, you'll see how to extract tallow oil. This is my palm kernel oil. I'm making use of 1000 grams. So you can see I'm making use of 3 different oils: tallow oil, groundnut oil, and palm kernel oil. You can use as many oils as you want to. In soap making, the number of oils you want to use is not limited. You just choose why you want to use it, or why are you using this oil should be your number 1 thought. Why am I using this oil? Very, very important. You should have a reason why you are using something in soap making. In soap making, you don't just add anything you want to. You add something because there is a reason why you added that thing. Let me break it down. You add color because you want your soap to have a good appearance. You add fragrance because you want your soap to have a good scent or smell. So everything you add in soap making, there should be a reason. You should always ask yourself, why am I adding this thing? You don't just add anything in soap making. So if you want to learn more about why you should add more oils, or when you should add more oils, or what more oils, or what adding more oils will do to your soap production, you can do well by joining my online class. I run trainings, and in my training we teach about oils. We teach about how to derive your own measurements, how to come up with your own recipe, so that you'll not be depending on online recipes. You will just sit at home and know how to come up with your own recipe. That is one important thing you should be able to do as a soap maker. You shouldn't be depending on people's recipe. So you will learn those things in my online class. When you join my class, you won't be arguing too much about how to make soap, how not to make soap, because you will learn how to make soap like a pro. I actually posted a video, and most people came to my comment section and started saying things anyhow, saying that I don't know what I'm doing, that what I did was a trash post, that I made soap without adding foam booster, I made soap without allowing my caustic soda to ferment for weeks or days. How can caustic soda ferment? It's not possible for caustic soda to ferment. It's not possible. So people will just come to my post and be saying it's a trash post. It's nonsense. That why should I make a post and be showing that I will just dissolve my soda and then pour it into my oil without allowing it to ferment? Caustic soda cannot ferment. You will learn these things in my online class. So do well by joining the class, so that you will learn more and you'll be more enlightened. You will not be arguing. You will know why something is going on. So just watch this video, enjoy. If you have any question, you can ask drop your question in the comment section, or you can join the class to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't also forget to share it with your friends, people that you know that are into soap making or who want to learn how to make soap. You can share this video with them, let them join and learn more. And also don't forget to purchase the soap equipment. We sell soap equipment. We deliver all around Nigeria. You can reach me through that phone number to purchase your own soap equipment. We sell soap making molds. We sell soap stamps. If you need a stamp for your soap, we sell them. We can customize the stamp to the name you want, and we send it to you. We will be down to your location. So nice doing business with you. Watch and enjoy. After 24 hours, this is the result of our soap. The next thing is for us to take it out of the soap mold. This is the result. Very nice, very fine. Don't forget to purchase this mold. Reach me through this phone number. Chat me up on WhatsApp to purchase the mold or to arrange on how the mold can reach your location. Also, don't forget to join my online class. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be updated. If you're watching this on Facebook, don't forget to follow me so that you'll be updated. If you're a soap maker, you need to be updated about new soap making skills. People will learn every day. Even me too, I'm learning. We are all learning. I'm not a master of all. I learn every day. Before I come up with a video, it means I have learned something. And I said, let me make a video from what I have learned. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop your comments. Goodbye. See you all next time on my next video.